Want to make a contactless payment with your Klarna card just by tapping your wrist? In this video, I'll show you how to add your Klarna card to Apple Watch. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using your Klarna card with Apple Watch is incredibly convenient for in-store purchases. The setup is very similar to adding it to your iPhone. First, you need your Klarna virtual card details. Open the Klarna app on your iPhone and go to the Card tab to find your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Go to the Wallet and Apple Pay section and tap Add Card. Follow the prompts to add your Klarna card manually by entering the details. Verify the card with your bank if required, and you're all set. A crucial pro tip: for this to work, you must have a physical or virtual Klarna card. The standard Pay in 4 inches option at online checkout is different. The Klarna card is a Visa card that can be added to mobile wallets like Apple Pay for tap-to-pay transactions in stores. And just like that, you can pay with Klarna just by tapping your watch. Using Klarna with Apple Watch is the peak of fast and easy payments. Do you use your smartwatch for payments? Why or why not? We're curious. For a big comparison, watch our next video on the differences between Klarna, Affirm, and Afterpay. Thanks for watching.